So today we are about to decorate the room, my little love nest, and decorate it in Valentine's decor. And so I have a couple of things that I'm gonna show you guys. Some of my stuff came from, like you guys probably already know, some of my stuff came from last year before, and just things that were accumulated. And I'll show you all that stuff. But most of that stuff all came from TJ Maxx. So everything I'm showing right now came from TJ Maxx, like 100% TJ Maxx. I have a couple of things that I'm about to just kind of go over, a little quick things that I picked up this year that I went shopping for. Not too much, just small things. Oh, and then I have a new comforter that I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if you've seen this like little viral marshmallow comforter, but I'm going to show you that. I'm going to make sure that everything that I'm showing, I will link it in the description so you guys won't miss anything. But if there's something specific that you saw and I didn't link it on accident, make sure you drop it in the comments. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn notifications on so that you don't miss anything, okay? If it's not your first time, welcome back, and let's go ahead and get into it. Look at these. Oh my God. When I saw these, I had to grab them. So they're little love letters. I got these from TJ Maxx. No, I got these from HomeGoods actually, and they were $24.99 each. So they are so cute. I don't know if you can see how tall they are, but I'm 5'2", and they like a little bit, you know, from hip to head. They're really cute. So they'll probably, I have a king size bed back here, and I got 2 of them, so one's gonna go on each side. So these are really cute. I got 2 of those. And then this also came from HomeGoods, and this is just a little cute little throw that we're gonna put right on the bed, right on top. Trying to see, I don't know how it's gonna look, but hey, we'll see when it gets there. HomeGoods as well. Oh my God, look at this. Look how big this heart is. Look, it is huge, and I got this one. It was $24.99 too at HomeGoods. It's so cute. Like, it's so big. I'm hoping to put this on the bed too. But look, it is really cute. I got 2 of them, so we'll see how it goes. I haven't pre-done this. Like some people, they pre-record their stuff or pre-arrange their stuff so it can come out cute. I am just doing this blind with y'all. So whatever you see is what you're getting. Okay, so I picked these up from HomeGoods as well, and these were only $16.99. They're so cute because they go with one thing that I already have that we'll be using, but $16.99. And this is just some Garland. It's about 6 foot. I'm gonna try to put this over my fireplace that's in my room. Let's see how that goes. So although this still has the little price tag on it, I got this about a year ago or 2 years ago, and I just never used it. But we're gonna use it this year. So it was $19.99 at HomeGoods, and I saw one of these this year in HomeGoods. So I don't know what and how HomeGoods does theirs, but like they still have mostly everything that I had a year ago or 2 years. They still have it in the stores still. So if you're looking for any of this stuff, most of it, I'll let you know if I saw it or if I didn't. But most of this stuff you can still find in HomeGoods. So I got 2 of these little hearts. And then I got this one this year. It was $9.99. This is just going to go right on the mirror. And this one was $9.99. I got this one last year at HomeGoods. I don't know how much they were, but I got 2 of them too. So, whew, I'm not that long. My arm's not that long, but this one says Happy Valentine's Day. It's just a 6 foot garland, and it's gonna go on the fireplace as well. These 2, I got 2 of these, and I don't know where I'm putting them right now, but we'll see where they fall in. I also got this one as well. I think I'm gonna put this one on the mirror, but we'll see how it goes. Listen, seems like a lot of stuff going on this mirror, and I don't know how it's gonna look, but let's see how it goes. Last couple of things are these two. I got this from, actually, I got this one from Kirkland's, and then this one from HomeGoods. This one was $9.99, and the Kirkland's one does not, this one doesn't even say how much it was, but I don't know. I don't know how much that one was, but this one was $9.99. Just says Happy Valentine's Day. But anyways, that's pretty much it, and we are going to go ahead and get it started. Oh, let me show y'all this. Hold on. So this one, whoa, where is it? All right, let me take it off. This is the comforter that I was telling you guys about. So I don't know. It's cold outside, so hopefully this is gonna keep us warm. I seen it, and I kind of just had to have it because it was so cute and it looks so cute. You know, everything that looks cute online, I don't know how it looks. I have not opened it yet. So when I open it, you guys are gonna see how it looks with me. But anyways, the first thing we're doing is making the bed. So let's open it up and see how it looks. Okay, besties, so we are completely done. I hope you guys enjoy or you really love my bedroom. I am obsessed with it. I promise you. It is so cute. But listen, I'm not even going to toot my own horn, but Valentine's Day is like literally one of my favorite holidays. So I try to do a little bit more than I would for any other day outside of Christmas. But yes, I am really obsessed with my room. I hope I can leave out of the room. Thank God I actually decorated downstairs in the living room. So, but this is so pretty. I really love how it turned out. I'm going to give you guys a quick little scan of the room. Listen, if it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn notifications on so that you don't miss anything. If it's not your first time here, cheers, besties.